Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Solflare wallet for Solana Web3 access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To access your Solflare wallet, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the official Solflare website. Look for the login option located on the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be presented with multiple login options. If you already created an account, choose the appropriate login method. For those with a recovery phrase, select the Restore Wallet option. Enter your recovery phrase carefully, ensuring there are no typos. If you created a wallet with a password, opt for the Access Wallet option. Enter your wallet password in the designated field. Make sure that your password is entered correctly, as it is case sensitive. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Once logged in, you will gain access to your Solflare wallet dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface, as it will provide access to your assets. Check for any notifications or updates displayed on the dashboard. Now you are ready to explore and manage your Solana assets. If you encounter any issues, revisit the login page for troubleshooting options. For further assistance, refer to the support section on the Solflare website. You are now set to dive into the Solana Web3 ecosystem. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.